Hi, my name is Taivo, and I'm from IMSino. I'm here to present the yellow blue switcher, which con- which consists of the oscillation reaction. I'm going to mix three chemicals, and they're going to keep switching three different colors. Uh, we have with right here we have the hydrogen peroxide, the starch malonic acid, and the potassium iodate. So these chemicals, when I mix them, we're gonna see some great changes. So let me start. And I mix them in equal measurements, the measurements of 20 milliliters each. So there will be equal distribution in the molecules. I'm gonna just shake it, and we see some color changes from yellow to blue, black, and to colorless. So you will see this and ask, why does this happen? Like, what causes it? The cause is that it is the oscillation in the changes in the iodine and iodine ion. This happens because there's starch inside, there's starch in the chemical reaction, and whenever iodine mixes with starch, it's gonna be blue black. But iodine on its own is just yellow color. So they make the iodine ion is the colorless color. So when the iodine increases, when the iodine gets more concentrated, it's gonna be yellow. And when the iodine and the iodine ion are on the same pace, like when they are equal, it's gonna be bluish black because of the pentaiodide ion that is in the starch. And when it is colorless, that the iodine concentration has gone down and the iodine ion is up, is high. So that's why we have the color changes in a continuous movement, like the oscillation reaction. And this will occur for like about 10 to 15 minutes. I think it's a brilliant reaction because you can use it in decorations and some other, to surprise the students and some other things. So um, I think this is great. Thanks for watching.